This is the second one, no? This is the second wave. The first one was last year.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, this is the second one, which is more likely to. That's why so many people are, getting infected because it's in the
Yeah.
air. So,
So, ma'am, is it some differences like the previous one or this one?
yeah, there is a lot of difference. So, because
Like
this
what?
one is, I don't have any idea about this, but there is, if you look at the statistics, there is a difference than
Yeah, ma'am.
the, previous one. So, I don't have that much of idea about what are the changes and all, but definitely there is some change, and this one is real bad. So,
So, ma'am, this one is not so dangerous, no?
yeah, it is not dangerous, but then yes, people are getting infected. So let's hope.
Yeah, this
Now I
this
guess Navya is there.
okay. This one is capable
Yeah,
to
yeah.
throw spread throughout the air.
Yes, from air. Good morning,
Good
Navya.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So we're starting with grammar today, and we're starting with tenses. Okay, so we've already finished present tense last time.
Okay, ma'am.
Same time.
Yeah. So now, Priya, mute yourself. I'm not getting that voice. Yeah. So now we'll be starting with the past tense. Okay. Now simple past tense.
Ma'am,
What exactly is yes? Yes, Rahul.
ma'am, what would we learned yesterday?
Yesterday I just gave a topic only. That's it.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah. So simple past is any action that has completed in the past. Okay. So the rule would be you can write down the rule that is subject I'm writing in the chat box. Subject plus verb second form plus object. Subject plus verb second form plus object. That is simple past. Okay. For example, she wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. Means उसने खत लिखा था. Okay. So this is a simple past tense where we're using verb second form. We also use was and were in this. Okay.
Ma'am, if we using oh sorry, if we using was or
Yes.
were,
Yes.
then it no need to use verb second form.
No.
Okay, then it's not mandatory in
No, it
when
is
we
not.
using
Then
was or were.
no. Then it would be subject plus was verb plus object. Like uh, it was a very expensive watch. So over here, it was a very expensive watch. Okay. So
Like take it this example that you mentioned previous that she wrote a letter. She was write
yes,
a letter.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is was were plus object. Okay. Like they were very happy. Those children were very happy. Okay. So those children were very happy. He was a good doctor. Okay. So
Ma-
that is
Ma'am,
simple past. Yes.
ma'am, for single we can use was or for plural we can use were.
Yes. That
Okay,
is
ma'am.
called simple past. Okay. Now past continuous. Now second form is past continuous. Past continuous means it is to donate an action going on at some point of time in the past. That some point of time the action was going on. For example, she was writing a letter. means at one point of time she was writing a letter. Now she is not writing, but yes, previous to this she was writing a letter. So subject would be, subject is here plus was verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, so past continuous will be verb first form and ing form. Okay, for example, uh, the kids were playing cricket.
मैम सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर प्लस
प्लस
वर्ब की फर्स्ट
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 फॉर्म
फॉर्म।
प्लस आईएनजी आ जाएगा, क्योंकि आप पास्ट
ठीक है
कंटिन्यूस की बात कर रहे हो।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, हाँ जी। Like she was reading a newspaper. No? Means in the morning she was reading a newspaper. Not necessary that she is reading right now. In the morning she was reading, so it becomes past tense. And if we have to use not, then we'll use they were not playing cricket. She was not writing. So that is past continuous. Now you make some sentences using past continuous.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was watching a movie.
Okay. Any other sentence?
I was missed the class yesterday.
No, then you can simply say I missed the class yesterday. That will be simple past. I missed. So already you have used, the second form. So I had missed the class yesterday. Right? So yes. So now is past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect. Past perfect means it is used to describe an action that completed before a certain moment in the past. Before a certain moment in the past, usually a long time back. For example, uh, children had finished their homework. Okay, so means they had finished some time back, like 3 hours back or 4 hours back, they had finished the task. Okay, I had cooked food in the morning, means early morning I had cooked food, not now, means early morning I had cooked food. So over there past perfect में आ जाता है subject plus had plus verb का third form plus object. That is past perfect.
Yeah, ma'am. Subject plus.
Had plus verb का third form plus
Ma'am,
object.
have.
Had आ जाए, had have नहीं, had only had plus verb का third form.
Third form plus object.
Yes, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे बोला I had cooked food in the morning. Okay, that means I had cooked long back. I had cooked 3-4 hours before. Okay, the children had finished their homework. Means children had by the time the teacher came or by the time her parents came, they had already completed their homework. So children had finished their homework long back. Okay.
Okay.
He had not done the job properly. The carpenter had not done the job properly. So means the carpenter did not do that job properly in the past. Okay, so that's why we use had. The carpenter had not done the job properly. Okay, so you use had plus verb third form plus object. This is past perfect. And past perfect continuous. what will it be? Past perfect continuous will be had been. Okay. I had been teaching for since 10 years. The girl had been dancing for 1 hour. Okay. That is past perfect continuous tense. That started in the past but is still continuing.
Like a subject had been plus
Yes,
verb.
the verb first form plus object.
वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
हाँ जी.
सब्जेक्ट हैड बीन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस
Was
ऑब्जेक्ट.
yes. This is past perfect continuous. When it is continuing. Like they had been playing since morning. Okay. So now you write some sentences using past perfect and past perfect continuous.
When past
Plus
perfect continuous is subject plus had been plus
had been
verb to
plus
first
the
form
first form. Yes.
plus ing plus
No,
object.
not yes.
Not
Plus
ing.
ing. No, plus ing plus object.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The only difference between past perfect and past perfect continuous is past perfect में verb का थर्ड फॉर्म आता है और past perfect continuous में फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगा. बस.
I mean past perfect continuous. The
हाँ.
work started in past and completed in also past.
Yes, it is completed also in the past.
Okay.
So now you make sentences in past perfect and past perfect continuous.
Ma'am, can you repeat the difference between past perfect continuous and past continuous?
That is just simple past perfect continuous. Past perfect क्या होता है? That it denotes an action that began a certain point in the past and continued
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the same past. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
ma'am, and also finished in the past.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
मैम पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस और पास्ट परफेक्ट में बनाना है या पास्ट परफेक्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में?
Past perfect and past perfect continuous. Rahul finished?
Yeah, ma'am. The past
Yeah, tell
perfect
me.
continuous. I had been watching
Hmm.
movie from last 2 hours.
Okay.
I had been walking in the park last night.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the past perfect tense, he had not drive well,
Drove.
drove.
Verb third form. Hmm. Verb का third form.
He had not worked out properly.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Dia, have you finished?
Uh, I had done my work already.
Okay.
I had my food.
Hmm.
She had gone to the market,
Hmm.
or she had been having their breakfast.
Hmm.
My mother had been working since 2 years back.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Navya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My friend had gone to park. Past
Mm-hmm.
perfect. I had finished my all work.
Mm-hmm.
I had eaten breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Now past perfect continuous. I had
Mm-hmm.
been learning English since 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
The cat had been sleep sleeping from 1 hour.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Now it is future tense. Okay. Future tense means that action will happen in sometimes in the future. Okay. It is not yet happened, but it will happen. Okay. So what we use is subject plus will, subject.
क्या मतलब समझ नहीं आया आप क्या बोल रहे थे.
फ्यूचर टेंस क्या होता है? सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस, जो भी चीज एक्शन फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, ठीक है, तो उसका आएगा सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शैल गो होम अर्ली टुडे और आई विल गो होम अर्ली टुडे. ओके.
Ma'am, there is any difference between will and shall?
Shall is lesser possibility. There is no time, no, that is I shall go in the evening means हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है.
Okay.
और will मतलब जाऊंगा जाऊंगा. That is simple future. ये आता है आपका simple future जिसमें will plus shall plus verb का first form आता है. दिया म्यूट करो. Now उसके बाद आता है आपका फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस. फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस क्या होता है? Which is used to express an ongoing continued action in the future. जो चीज फ्यूचर में कंटिन्यू एक्शन में होगी उसको हम बोलते हैं फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस. उसमें आता है शैल बी एंड विल बी एंड वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है उसमें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I shall be writing a letter means I will be write. I shall be writing in some day. पूरे दिन में मैं कभी भी एक लेटर लिखूंगी. I shall be writing a letter today. Okay. So subject plus will, shall plus be plus verb का first form plus ing plus object. This is future continuous tense.
Ma'am, can you write it in the messages?
Yes, I am writing in the chat. Subject plus will be, shall be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Like Sham will be leaving for Mumbai tonight. Means he will be going to Mumbai. So that is future continuous. I will be coming late to the office today. Like for example, Rahul says that ma'am, I will be coming late today to the class. So make some sentences using future, simple future and future continuous. Yeah, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will go out today.
Mm-hmm.
I will eat after 3 hours.
Mm-hmm.
I shall watch a movie tonight. I will write a mail to my professor.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow I shall not attend my cardio session.
Okay.
I will be attending this class tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
I shall be practicing tenses today.
Okay.
I will be taking steam tonight. I shall not
Mm-hmm.
eating fast food tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, that's all about my side
Okay. Yeah.
from my side.
My friend shall go early today.
Mm-hmm.
And my teacher will come today at my home.
Mm-hmm.
My father shall buy pizza today.
Okay.
Uh, I will be going outside tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
बस अभी मैम इतना ही बना.
Okay. Nabia?
Yes, ma'am. I will
Yes.
go to the market today.
Mm-hmm.
I shall go to meet my friend tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
I will be joining you in the park.
Mm-hmm.
At the park, I will be exercising in tomorrow's morning.
Mm-hmm.
I will be going to the market at that time
Okay.
when you will come.
Okay. Okay. Now, today's topic is
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, there is no future perfect continuous in future tense.
there is, but we don't use in general conversation. We just generally use all these in general conversation.
Okay, ma'am, is there any tenses left in future tense?
No, no.
Okay.
Okay. Now the topic is travel. How has travel changed your life? How has travel changed your life? Okay. So just write few points on this and then we'll discuss.
So, ma'am, write on the basis of future or in the past?
No, no, no. This is a topic. So just write in the
Okay.
present tense. How has travel changed your life?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And then we'll do some vocabulary words also related to health. Tia, finished? Or you're writing?
I'm writing.
Okay. And are you guys looking at Facebook Lives also? Because each and every trainer is giving lessons free of cost. So you also should go there, check out different pronunciation exercises or whatever the trainer is teaching. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. It is there on Instagram also. It is there on Facebook also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you can share the
Yeah.
link.
Ma'am, you can share the
Oh,
link
it
on
is just
Insta.
okay. I will do that. I will do
Ma'am, I follow now
that.
on Insta to you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there any trainer who gives live classes on YouTube?
Yes, yes, everyone, each one of us gives live
Yeah,
classes on
ma'am,
Facebook,
because
YouTube, Instagram. We give every day, even today, yesterday. So just log on to SpokenMate, you'll get it.
I'm not using Facebook and Instagram, so then you can please share the link of YouTube.
YouTube is just SpokenMate, okay? SpokenMate Noida.
Okay, ma'am, I'll check today.
Yeah, yeah, just check.
Yeah, ma'am, done.
Yes, tell me.
Traveling one place to another changes life because when we are
Mm-hmm.
planned for travel, we need to
Mm-hmm.
make schedules, and when we reach the different locations,
Mm-hmm.
then it's hard to follow the different culture that the locals are
Mm-hmm.
followed and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
accordingly.
Mm-hmm.
So, in my point of view, traveling one place to another does not changes your life, but
Mm-hmm.
it gives you an opportunity to learn something new and different and add some new skills in your personality.
Okay,
And also traveling gives you opportunity to see how beautiful our nature is.
good. Okay. Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Nowadays, almost people like to travel. Some
Mm-hmm.
people go for their work, some will go for their vacations.
Mm-hmm.
When you travel, you meet new people, new culture, experience new things. We
Mm-hmm.
can spend good time outside.
Mm-hmm.
We can have new variety of food.
Okay.
People dressing sense are also different in different
Mm-hmm.
places.
Mm-hmm.
The language are also different.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Traveling can change your mindset also.
Mm-hmm.
When we go for the vacation days for travel, we have
Mm-hmm.
preparing for ourselves for new experience,
Mm-hmm.
and our mind is also in relaxed mode.
Mm-hmm.
In my point of view, travel is good for everyone.
Okay. Okay. Navya?
Yes, ma'am. In today's world,
Yes.
most of the people like traveling as
Mm-hmm.
they meet different people, visit different places, and we can see our beautiful hills and can be on peace by seeing them.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Travel has make easier to migrate people from one place to another.
Okay.
Students can go to abroad for further studies to to achieve their aim goal.
Mm-hmm.
Through traveling, the people who want to give services to the best they can migrate to the city and they can use their services on the best and can earn more. For people
Okay.
who want and for people who wants to meet their family, they can easily go and come according to their wish. as
Mm-hmm.
traveling leads to as traveling has avoid barriers between one city to other.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. Now we'll be doing some vocabulary words related to health. Okay. Write down related to health vocabulary words.
Related to health.
Yes. Health. So what is the eating disorder? Eating disorder क्या होता है? Eating disorder होता है a mental illness where people eat too less or too much. Okay.
Where
Eating
people
disorder. Eating disorder लिखो where
eat.
people are eating too much or too less.
Mm, Ma'am, if we search on YouTube about spoken meat, then what we will search?
Mm-hmm.
Spoken meat sector Noida.
Spoken mate Noida. Noida, yes.
In something sector also.
Sector 18. Okay. So I'll give you the link. I've shared with you on for Facebook. Facebook and Instagram I've shared.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So eating disorder is a mental disorder wherein people are eating too less or too much. And bulimia and anorexia. These are two terms. I've written on the chat. बुलूमिया एंड एनोरेक्सिया बुलूमिया क्या होता है जब आप बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेस में खाना खा लेते हो और एनोरेक्सिया होता है जब आपको भूख ही नहीं लगती और बुलिमिया होता है जब आपको कांस्टेंट हर 2-2 मिनट में भूख लगती है, दैट इज अगेन अ डिसऑर्डर। सो ये दो वर्ड्स है, बुलिमिया और एनोरेक्सिया, दैट्स अ ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर। अब लिखिए एडिक्टिव। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एडिक्टिव?
किसी चीज में एडिक्ट होना, मतलब
किसी चीज से अटैच होना,
किसी भी
बहुत
चीज
ज्यादा।
से अटैच होना, यस, किसी भी चीज से अटैच होना। सो आप लिखिए टी एंड कॉफी। टी एंड कॉफी आर एडिक्टिव इन नेचर। टी एंड कॉफी आर एडिक्टिव, एडिक्टिव। नेक्स्ट इज वैरायटी ऑफ स्पाइसेस। वैरायटी ऑफ स्पाइसेस का मतलब क्या होता है?
वैरायटी ऑफ स्पाइसेस मतलब वैरायटी ऑफ टेस्ट, मतलब
Ma'am, lots of variety to
लॉट।
बेसिकली लॉट ऑफ वैराइटीज टू ईट।
eat.
वैरायटी ऑफ स्पाइसेस। स्पाइसेस आपकी जितनी भी आपकी चीजें होती हैं जो खाने की होती हैं, तो दैट इज वैरायटी ऑफ फूड बेसिकली। वैरायटी ऑफ फूड। प्रेजर्वेटिव्स लिखिए। प्रेजर्वेटिव्स क्या होते हैं? प्रेजर्वेटिव्स क्या होते हैं?
जो फ्रिज में रखी हुई चीजें होती हैं, नहीं मतलब जो
यस,
पैक्ड होती है। हाँ।
यस। प्रेजर्वेटिव वो एक बेसिकली एक सब्सटेंस होता है जो हम खाने की चीजों में डालते हैं।
Okay, ma'am, that we can store for a long time.
यस, यस। जैसे जैम्स हो गए, पिकल्स हो गए, उसमें सब्सटेंस डालते हैं सो दैट वी कैन स्टोर इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम।
मैम क्या लिखेंगे? पैक्ड थिंग्स ना, मतलब पैक्ड जो पैक्ड चीजों
पैक्ड
में होती है।
फूड्स, yes, packed foods.
पैक्ड थिंग।
Yes, it is a substance used in packed foods to make the shelf life longer. Shelf life, SHELF, shelf life longer. Okay, now at homework, आपका homework है, you have to write down ways how you can become healthy. Ways on becoming healthy. On becoming healthy. That you have to write in a paragraph form. Various ways on becoming healthy. Yeah, so you have to write down ways on becoming healthy. So that is your homework. You have to write. How will you write? First, you write on a piece of paper. Okay. Then you will reserve. पूरा आप rehearse करोगे for a minute or so. Then you will make a video, small video. Sorry. Yeah, you will make a small video about yourself when you're speaking. Okay. And you will send on WhatsApp. Ways to become healthy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And
Ma'am,
we
these
tomorrow.
videos,
Yeah.
ma'am, these videos are only for learning purpose, or you are
Only
going
for
to
no
post?
no 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 only for learning purpose. Yes, only for learning.
Okay, okay.
I am not pasting anywhere.
Yeah.
So this is only for learning. Yeah. This is basically for yourself and it's for the trainer, so that I tend to know that how basically you will speak, and this is for your own practice. So how you become fluent is basically you just time yourself in when you start, when you write, when you rehearse, then you just time yourself and start speaking for 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then time yourself कि आपने 30 seconds बात की है या 40 seconds या 1 minute की है. मिनिमम जो आपका स्पीड होना चाहिए, जो आपका स्पीच का लेंथ होना चाहिए, दैट शुड बी 1.5 to 2 minutes without stopping. So you have to challenge yourself every time by putting a timer on. That's how you learn anything, be it any topic. आप उसमें कैसे आप प्रोफिशिएंट होंगे जब आप एक टाइमर ऑन करेंगे. And
Okay,
when you
ma'am.
start seeing या कि आपने कितने मिनट्स में, कितने सेकंड्स में आपने अपना खत्म किया है. Let's say if today, Dia, you did in 48 seconds. Then tomorrow again practice, you'll do it in 58 seconds. Then 1 minute, like that. Every day you'll be practicing from now on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, will you please tell me one thing?
So this, yeah,
Yeah, ma'am, which part of my
yes.
second language is too weak so that I need to
See,
focus on that part?
right, right now it is more of you speak well, your vocabulary is good, but you tend to break. All of you, what you do is when you speak, you tend to break, and you tend to use lot of Indian fillers like matlab ki, yani ki, and you
Okay.
tend to pause. So that will happen only when you practice. And of course, your vocabulary. All of your vocabulary is very, very simple. You start using different kind of vocabulary words.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, start using phrasal verbs. I will teach you what exactly is phrasal verbs in some other class, like some next classes after we finish grammar, little bit of more grammar. So then I will touch on phrasal verbs.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so start using different kind of vocabulary, different meaning or something, and read as much as you can. Read novels, read anything on YouTube, you know. Download any of
Okay.
your favorite book and start reading it.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's how you'll, increase your vocabulary also.
Okay,
You can read Rich Dad Poor Dad. You can read, Chetan Bhagat to start with. Different kind of books you can download and you can start reading it.
ma'am, Rich
Okay,
Dad
ma'am.
and Poor Dad is a financially based book, so it's not
Yeah,
so
but if you
interesting.
have and see, that depends upon your interest also. But that has good vocabulary. That is into business. Basically, somebody who's into business can read that, or somebody who's got a business mind they can read that. Yeah. So there you'll find very good vocabulary. Yeah. Chetan Bhagat is very simple, so you will find a very simple language.
You know which book?
Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat, ma'am, maybe he's a writer.
Yeah, he's a writer. He's a
हाँ तो
writer.
मैं which book
And
will you prefer us for reading?
any kind of book to start with, any of his book. That's it. Yeah.
क्या maybe ma'am the Half Girlfriend wrote by Chetan Bhagat na?
Any book, any book,
Okay.
and you start using, what you do is when you read, you start underlying the difficult vocabulary words. When you start reading, underline the difficult vocabulary and then note it down in your separate copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
then
Thank
today
you.
I'll end the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah.